Conic-section ellipse. The ellipse. An ellipse is a locus of points such that the sum of the distances between two fixed points called the foci. The axis that runs through the longer part of the ellipse is called the major axis. The points at the ends of the major axis are called the vertices. The axis that runs through the shorter part of the ellipse is called the minor axis. The points at the ends of the minor axis are called the co-vertices. Equation of an ellipse. A. If the center is at the origin, the vertices are at close and open parentheses of positive and negative e and 0. The equation is x squared by e squared plus y squared by b squared equal 1. If the center is at the origin, the vertices are at open and close parentheses of 0 and positive and negative a. The equation is x squared by b squared plus y squared over e squared equals 1. If the center of each key and the principal axis is horizontal, the equation is open and close parentheses of x minus h to the power of 2 by e squared plus open and close parentheses of y minus k to the power of 2 by b squared equals 1. If the center is at each key and the principal axis is vertical, the equation is open and close parentheses of y minus k to the power of 2 by e squared plus open and close parentheses of x minus h to the power of 2 by b squared equals 1. Writing the equation of an ellipse. First, determine the center of open and close parentheses of each key. Second is determine the values of e and b given a graph, given the vertices and co-vertices, and given a vertex and co-vertex and focus. And third one is you may plug the values of each key, e and b into the equation. Example, graph and find the coordinates of the center, vertices, co-vertices, and vertex. So, the equation is close and open parentheses of x to the power of 2 by 25 plus y open and close parentheses of y plus 3 to the power of 2 by 4 equals 1. So, you may find the vertices, co-vertices, and vertex and the center. So, first, to find the co-vertices. So, this is the graphs of the ellipse. So, first is to find the vertices. So, this is the line. This is the 2 points is the intersection of the vertices. And these 2 points is co-vertices, and last one is the foci. Example, the statuary hall in the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. is a whispering chamber. Its dimensions are 46 feet wide by 96 feet long. A. What is the standard form of the equation of the ellipse representing the outline of the room? B. If two senators standing at the foci of this room can hear each other whispering, how far apart are the senators? Solution. We are assuming a horizontal ellipse with a center of 0 and 0, so we need to find an equation of the form x squared by e squared plus y squared by b squared equals 1, where e is a greater than b. So, we know that the length of the major axis is 2e is longer than the length of the minor axis 2b. So, the length of the room is 96 is represented by the major axis, and the width of the room 46 is represented by the minor axis. Solving for E, we have 2E equals 96, E equals 48 because 2E equals 96 because dividing both side by 2, so E equals 48, then 48 squared, so E squared equals 2,304. So to solving for B, we have 2B equal 46, so dividing both side by 2, so B equals 23, which is 23 squared equals B squared equal 529. So therefore, the equation of the ellipse is x squared by 2,304 plus y squared by 529 equals 1. To find the distance between the senators, we must find the distance between the pussy. So, open and close parenthesis of positive and negative c and 0. So, where c square equals e square minus b square is solving for c. So, first you do is you may substitute using the values found in part E and B. So, c squares equals 2,304 minus 529. So, then you may take the square root in both sides. So, c equals positive and negative of square root of 2,304 minus 59. So, you may subtract now. And then, so c equals positive and negative square root of 1,775. Then, after that, you may round to the nearest root. So, c equals positive and negative 42. So, the points of close and open parents. So, the points of positive and negative 42 and 0 is represent the pussy. So, thus, the distance between the senator is 2 times 42, so equal 84 feet. So, that's are that representing between the senators. So, that's all and thank you.